First, open the Google app on your Samsung phone. Next, tap your profile picture in the top right corner. Scroll down and tap Settings. Then tap Gemini. If you're setting up Gemini for the first time, you'll see the welcome screen. Read the information. Then tap Use Gemini. You'll be taken to the Gemini settings page. Here, you can customize different Gemini settings according to your preference. If you want to use Gemini with your voice, tap Talk to Gemini hands-free. Then turn on the toggle. After turning on the toggle, follow the on-screen instructions and say Hey Google several times so Gemini can recognize your voice. Once voice match is complete, Gemini is now ready to respond whenever you say Hey Google. You can now ask questions, generate text, summarize information, set reminders, control your device, and perform many other tasks using Gemini. That's it. This is how you can use Gemini on a Samsung phone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.